In Java, a variable is a container that holds data that can be manipulated and referenced in a program. Variables are used to store values and give them a meaningful name. There are different types of variables in Java, classified based on their data types. Byte, which is 8-bit integer values. Short, which is 16-bit. Int, which is 32-bit. Long, which is 64-bit. Float, which is 32-bit floating point values. Double, which is 64-bit floating point values. Character, which is 16-bit Unicode characters. Boolean, which represents true or false. Reference data types. Objects. They are the instances of classes. Arrays. Arrays are collections of elements of the same type. Here I will show you the uses of data types by code. Integer. Double. Character. Boolean. String. Array. Now we will print all the values. All the values are printed successfully. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.